Hi, this is Denise, and I wanted to pop on to tell you guys some exciting news about the changes that I have made for the winter curriculum. The biggest change is you guys are going to be able to pick and choose any video throughout the whole winter curriculum and view it whenever you want. They're all going to be available at the same time. So you can pick and choose based on what your child wants to learn. It's still going to be the 10 weekly themes. They're just going to be all available at one time for you. 120 videos in all. You get to pick and choose whenever you want to watch them and whatever one you want to watch. And the start date has changed too. I'm super excited. It's going to be November 15th. Yay! Super excited about that. If you think about this, the cost of watching one video is only 50 cents. That's a pretty good deal. I wanted to go over some of all of the themes actually for the winter curriculum with you again one more time. We're going to be doing Arctic animals, outer space, weather, hibernation, winter, five senses, my favorite authors, opposites, feelings and emotions, and forest animals. And remember, you can pick and choose whichever one you want to watch first. Pretty neat, huh? I am super excited. I know Ollie and we have worked really hard on this curriculum. I think it's one of our best yet, and we've had a lot of fun, and I think that you're really gonna enjoy it. So I can't wait. Well, thank you for joining me, and I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.